Hi guys, today I'm reviewing the Etude House Dust Cut line. I have the cream, the foaming cleanser, and the mist. And I have to tell you that I love these products and I really think they're great for sensitive skin and especially people with eczema, which I have. And so this line has been like a lifesaver for me because I'm allergic to a lot of different things. It's kind of a battle sometimes, and a lot of the time I have to resort to using cortisone cream, which is a cream that thins your skin. It's really not good, especially if you're trying to avoid wrinkles and you want to look younger in the long run. There aren't very many effective treatments out there, honestly. The best thing is prevention, and so this has been preventing my eczema big time. I use my cortisone cream a lot less, and this year hardly at all. The first thing I want to talk about is the foaming cleanser, and I use this more as a daytime cleanser because it doesn't remove makeup. I've tried it to remove makeup, but it's not very effective. The most effective thing I find is to do a two-step process. So I first use cleansing oil, and then I use a cleansing foam, but a cleansing foam that also removes makeup because you want to really remove all that oil. This is a really good cleansing foam for sensitive skin. So this is what the packaging looks like. There's hardly any English on it. The ingredients are listed in English though. The English is back there. It says Dust Cut Microfoam Cleanser Super Defense, and on the back it says this is a microbubble foam cleanser that cleanses away harmful factors by foaming mild cushioned bubbles and providing care with its plant extracts that clarify dull and exhausted skin. So this thing foams up really nicely, better than the Mizan cleanser that I have, and it just becomes super foamy and rich, and it's super comfortable to wash your face with. So if you have dry skin or sensitive skin, you won't feel like it's stripping your skin of oil. I think it'll be okay for oily skin too. If you buy cleansers for sensitive skin, a lot of the time it doesn't clean very well. It is comfortable, but you just feel like it doesn't clean very well. This cleans very well, foams up really nicely, but it still leaves your skin comfortable and feeling like there is a barrier or something protecting your skin at the same time. I don't know how it does that, but I really do love this cleanser. But yeah, as a daytime foaming cleanser, I kind of want to show you how it foams up and how nice it looks. I'll try to show you even though I'm in my living room, but in my bathroom the lighting isn't very good. Like, this is the only place where I have good lighting. This is what the foam looks like when you just pump it out, and just that little amount just foams up so well and so fast, and you can pretty much that amount I could wash my face twice with that. And it does have a kind of minty herbally scent to it, and I like it. It's a very light scent though. The next thing I want to talk about is the cream, and it's the Dust Cut Finish Cream. So this is the packaging of the Dust Cut Finish Cream. I'm almost done it. This is a very light gel-like finish cream, so that means you've got to put it over another cream if you have dry skin, but if you have oily skin, that maybe this will be enough for you. In the summer, sometimes I just use this over my toner, and that's okay, but in the winter it's really not heavy enough, not rich enough. This is what the cream looks like. It's very gel-like, easily spreadable, and just sinks into your skin. It does leave a barrier over your skin to protect it from dust and pollen, and I really feel that it helps prevent acne breakouts because I really feel like it helps prevent dirt, oil, and things from going into your skin, and it really actually helps prevent acne as well. And it has that same herbally minty kind of smell. I really can't place it. You won't really notice it on your skin. I feel like sometimes it also has a bit of a cooling effect on your skin as well, and it's very pleasant. The next product is this mist, and I've actually already mentioned this before, and I think it was in my September favorites because I've been using this for a while and repurchased it, and I love it. This is what the mist looks like, and there's hardly any English on it as well. It has that thing on the side. All of them have that same picture on the side. Out of the entire line, probably this is my favorite product, and this is the one that I feel really kind of covers and protects your skin the most. I don't know why, but I just feel like that this is just more protective, and like this is the one that functions the best at protecting my skin and making that barrier. But to use it, you need to put like 3 or 4 sprays on your face and then pat it around, because sometimes it just doesn't spray very well. It'll spray like in one area, not all over your face. So you need to like pump it and spray a few times, and then pat your face to make sure it goes all over. And then you have to wait for it to dry, but you also have to wait. It just takes like 20 seconds. I usually put this over my creams, and then I put my makeup over actually, but you can actually also put it over your makeup too. But I just feel better when I put this on, wait for it to dry, and then put my makeup on. So yeah, that's what I do. I don't know if you can see if I missed it, but you're not going to be able to see anything, but and just pat it on. Why did I show you that? I don't know. I know you're not. It just looks like water on my hand basically, but it does leave it sticky until it dries. So now it feels a bit sticky, but oh, actually now it's dry. But I had just sprayed it one time, that's why, because if you do like 3 or 4 and then pat it, you really do have to wait. But yeah, now it feels like nothing on my skin. What more can I say? I mean, if you have eczema, this is so amazing, because how many products do you know that help prevent eczema? I guess most of the time I get eczema from allergies, like from pollen because I'm allergic to pollen, from fur because I'm allergic to fur, from, I don't know, dust, I'm allergic to dust. So then if I touch my skin, or if pollen goes on my skin, it starts to itch, and then that creates the eczema. So what this does is that it completely stops that from happening, because the stuff that you're allergic to can't touch your skin when you have this barrier over it. And it really works, guys. Like, I don't know. So I highly recommend these to people with sensitive skin, and especially to people with eczema. That's all I have to say. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!